Losing your critical Qlik Sense data is a nightmare no admin wants, so let's walk through backing up and restoring your Qlik Sense Enterprise on Windows. First, log into your Qlik Management Console as a user with root admin privileges. The QMC is your central hub for managing Qlik Sense. Navigate to the Configuration section. This is where we'll find the options to stop services safely before backup. Click on Service Cluster in the left menu. Then click the Stop button to halt all Qlik Sense services. A clean stop ensures data consistency. Now, open Windows File Explorer and go to the default Qlik Sense data directory usually found in C. Program.o. Qlik Sense, but verify this on your system. Copy the entire Qlik Sense directory to a safe backup location, like an external drive or network share. This is your complete backup. After the copy is complete, go back to the QMC and click the Start button to restart all Qlik Sense services. System is now operational again. To restore, after reinstalling Qlik Sense on a new system, stop the services again via the QMC like before. Now copy the contents of your backup Qlik Sense directory to the new or reinstalled Qlik Sense data directory, overwriting any existing files. Finally, start the Qlik Sense services through the QMC. Once the services are running, your Qlik Sense environment should be restored.